What's up, YouTube? Just posted a little bit ago. 2-inch rough country leveling kit on the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Just thought I'd pull it out of the garage so get a little bit better view. So, like I was saying on my previous video, I may go with that 1/2 inch spacer in the back. Still debating that. It does drive like stock. Didn't change the ride at all. I was looking at the Rocky Road leveling kit, but that one is rated for 1.75 versus this is the 2-inch. I mean, it's pretty level. 35 inches from the ground to the bottom of the fender. Straight up level. But no, this is another video. Pulled it out of the garage. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better view on it, but there it is.